In this video, I'm about to compare Duolingo and LingoDeer to see their pros and cons. The pros of Duolingo include its fun, gamified experience that keeps users motivated with daily practice. It's free with optional paid features and offers a wide range of languages. Its bite-sized lessons make it ideal for beginners and those with busy schedules. The cons of Duolingo are its limited focus on speaking, repetitive lessons, and simplified grammar explanations, which may not be enough for advanced learners. It also lacks cultural context, which can limit a deeper understanding of the language. The pros of LingoDeer are its detailed grammar explanations and a strong focus on listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It's especially good for learning Asian languages and offering culturally relevant lessons. LingoDeer provides a more comprehensive learning experience overall. The cons of LingoDeer are that it offers few languages and much of its content is behind a paywall. Its interface is less engaging compared to Duolingo's gamified approach, which may be less appealing to some users. Choosing between the two depends on your needs. Duolingo is better for casual learners and beginners looking for a free, fun way to get started with languages. LingoDeer is better if you want deeper grammar lessons, especially for Asian languages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.